Fairmont Royal Pavilion, St. James, Barbados. Imagine white sandy beaches, shimmering turquoise waters, and lush tropical gardens with sunsets that enchant and transform. At Fairmont Royal Pavilion, understated elegance meets timeless luxury by the sea. At our 5-star hotel, we offer the perfect retreat in St. James, Barbados, for discerning travelers to unwind and rejuvenate. Embark on an idyllic island escape in Barbados at Fairmont Royal Pavilion. This intimate luxury resort in St. James sits directly along the beach, with all guest rooms and suites looking out at stunning sea vistas. Spend your days on the powder white sand beach, indulging in world-class cuisine, and experience the warm, welcoming local hospitality and culture. Enjoy 72 spacious beachfront rooms and suites with direct ocean views, ideally located in St. James, just steps from pristine white sands and sparkling sea. Our 3-bedroom villa is nestled in lush gardens for ultimate privacy. The plantation deco rooms and suites offer air conditioning, a ceiling fan, a seating area, and a flat-screen satellite TV with a DVD player. All accommodations include a balcony or terrace with sea views and a private bathroom with a bath and separate shower. Whether you're on a honeymoon or family vacation, our special hotel offers are designed to ensure a seamless experience in Barbados. Discover the flawless natural beauty of our tropical island paradise. From world-class dining to pristine white sand beaches and turquoise waters, snorkeling with turtles, water sports, and more, the opportunities for adventure are endless at Fairmont Royal Pavilion. Enjoy a romantic candlelit dinner or a family feast with the best ocean views in Barbados. Dine directly on the beach with your toes in the sand with a meal specially prepared just for you. The Fairmont Royal Pavilion Barbados Resort features 2 restaurants serving international and Caribbean cuisine. Private dinner and in-room dining facilities are available. Guests can also arrange activities as canoeing, diving, fishing, and snorkeling. Among these amenities, there are available a gym, tennis courts, laundry, and a gift shop. Certified babysitting service with an extra charge can be arranged upon request of at least 24 hours prior guests need it. A visit to Fairmont Royal Pavilion in Barbados soothes the mind, body, and soul. Float peacefully in the warm ocean waters, enjoy a calming spa treatment, or engage in a beachside fitness session. Indulge in delicious, nourishing cuisine crafted by our world-class chef. This serene escape promises to leave you feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. Whether you're indulging in a healing massage from the comfort of your guest room or a restorative yoga session directly on the beach, Fairmont Royal Pavilion offers the perfect setting for wellness and relaxation. Feel refreshed after a dip in our swimming pool, the perfect spot for the entire family to enjoy. Relax in the shade on one of our comfortable loungers, or unwind at the end of the day with a soak in the jacuzzi to soothe tired muscles. Our experienced yoga instructor will guide you on a journey of self-reflection right on the beach. The serene sound of the waves provides the perfect soundtrack to your session as you take in the incredible ocean views. Being on vacation doesn't mean you have to compromise your fitness routine. During your time in Barbados, you can enjoy our 24-hour gym, complimentary yoga and exercise classes, as well as private tennis and pickleball courts. Trade snow for sand this winter and create cherished memories at Fairmont Royal Pavilion, with rates that get better the longer you stay. This intimate resort is ideal for discerning travelers seeking rest and relaxation in a private and serene setting. With all guest rooms and suites located directly on the beach, there's simply no better place for an island getaway. Unveiling a luxurious Barbados escape, this all-inclusive package transforms our stunning beachfront hotel into your own personal haven for relaxation. This prepaid plan grants you peace of mind and sets the stage for adventure. Indulge in 4 meals a day, from beachfront breakfast to lunch, afternoon tea, and gourmet dinners, plus selected beverages. This complex is 5 minutes drive from the Royal Westmoreland Golf Course and 15 minutes drive from the Flower Fort. The Grantley Adams International Airport is 19 kilometers away.